Hey guys, I'm back. I'm going to show you how to sand and shape these nails. And I'm probably going to add some fake nails on top because I've chewed my nails kind of short. And I just want them to look pretty and all even. Sometimes I just, leave some short and some long, but for the purpose of the video, let's make them look pretty. Why not? So, I'm kind of just getting this extra skin, extra nails off down here so it's not rough when I put on the fake nail tip. I'm a little bit of a perfectionist when it comes to my nails, so I don't know, just want them to look beautiful and nice and perfect, and don't want any edges loose or anything. Oh, I'm sorry, I was getting out of the frame there. Alright, looks smooth enough on the bottoms. Let me do, I have this one and I have this one. I think I'm gonna do this one because this one's a little bit heavier grit. And I have some dried on glue and stuff on my nails, so let's get that off. Kind of smooth them out a little bit. If you watched my last video, my thumb is blue because the nail fell off and I just replaced that one. But that's the same color that we're going to be doing today, is that pretty blue color. It finally snowed in Minnesota today, so we're going to do some blue to be festive. I'm getting the snow spirit. Alright, now I'm going to use this. And I use the curved side on my nail. See? Curves to your nail. And then I just kind of push back this invisible cuticle line. Shaking the whole camera. And I'm kind of also getting like any roughness or any like a ridge of glue that I feel. I'll scrape that off. Gotta be careful. Like, you can feel it coming back too. You can feel the roughness of the glue. Alright, now I'll use my cuticle clippers to clip my cuticle down. And then I use this to kind of scrape any any of the extra white, dead skin, dead nail. I don't know. I got the stiff brush too. That helps get rid of some of it. It's really bothering me that it keeps going in and out. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, like I said, I'm a perfectionist. I'm getting a little carried away. Alright, and we're back. Let me, can you see? I clipped away a lot of that, so now I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit. Rebuff it, make sure it's buffed all along my cuticle area up there so that the dip sticks up on the top and doesn't try to start peeling. Well, I'm putting on a tip anyways, but you know, the tip will peel too on that. This is the tips that I use. At least right now, I've used lots of different brands. And then this is the nail glue that I use, KDS Nail Glue. So let's figure out, I think I'm going to do all of them, even though this one is a little long. I'm still going to put one over it just to make it uniform, I think. Now when you're doing these, you want them to be, oops. See how perfect that fit is? You don't want it to overlap your nail too much, because then it's going to be uncomfortable. But you don't want too much of a gap either. So I think that's perfect for that finger. And these are already filed, no file, so I don't have to rough them up or anything to stick them on. I always put way too much glue, so hopefully I can do this right. And then the tricky part is trying to get it to go on straight. And then hold it down for like 30 seconds. Kind of rock side to side sometimes. Push the glue on the sides. That was like a perfect glue. Although See how there's like air bubbles? I really don't like when there get air bubbles in there because it just doesn't stay on for as long, but it's fine. It's fine, we'll deal with it. Alright, on to the next finger. That's perfect for that one. I'm just trying to not put too much, but not put too little either. I think I need to adjust my camera because I keep going out of the frame. So that one went on a little crooked, but that's okay. We'll fix it. Let me pause this and adjust. Alright, I fixed it, I think. Hopefully I don't go out of frame. I shouldn't. Yeah, that's a pretty good fit. See, it's like right up to the edge. It's perfect. My little tiny pinky finger. This is the smallest one. That was the perfectest one. Best one. Join me for the next video to learn how to put dip powder on them now.